Hello friends, this is Anand Harsh from Jodhpur. Once again I am with you on a new video lecture of Oracle Tangi Basics. I hope you like it very much. Today we consider the distinct keyword in SQL. Let's check out how we can use the distinct keyword and what it means. Hello friends, today from this video lecture we are considering distinct keyword. You can also told this as a distinct function in SQL because a parameter will be passed into this keyword. So you can say this is a function in SQL. So the question here is what it does. The distinct keyword only retrieves the common values, or we can say it removes the duplicate values from the select statement. So another thing comes from the definition, it is used with only a select statement. So many times we have records like common ages, common cities, common subjects of students, or common fields. So we have to retrieve the common things and remove the duplicates so that we can count them, we can average them, etc, etc, etc. So the distinct keyword or the function, how we can use them, let's check out the syntax. Select distinct. The spelling of this distinct keyword is very important. You must have to write properly DISTINCT column 1, and if there are multiple columns then comma column 2 from table name. So let's check out it practically. So we are now on our terminal, that is Oracle Tangi, and I am now connected with the system. I have a table already created so that we can perform the distinct uses. So the table's name is employee master and that have 11 rows. You can see employee ID, name, age, salary and their cities. There are different cities: Jodhpur, Jaipur, Bikaner, Jalore, Jaisalmer, Barmer, Sirui, Bara and Kanpur. So I am selecting each city from employee master. So all 11 cities came from this query, but I know there are multiple records. Jodhpur comes 3 to 4 times here. So the cities, if we can see, if we want to find out how many cities employees are there in a company, so we cannot say there are 11 cities 11 cities employees in our company. So we must have to take out the common city names, and that will be used with the distinct keyword. So here I'm using the count aggregate function, and in that count function I'm using distinct, and distinct is using e-city. So firstly distinct will common all the city names, and then it will be counted by the count function, and that is 9. So if only I am using the distinct e-city, then all the 9 age comma distinct e-city from employee master, that will be a missing expression error, as you can see on the screen right now. So cannot be matched age with the distinct e-cities, so it cannot be used with this, and hopefully you can check out the first video in which I say that distinct keyword or function can be used with a select statement. Select distinct age from employee master. So you can see the common ages from the employee master.